Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to know who sent you message on NGL. Alright, let's begin. NGL is an anonymous messaging app, and many users want to know who is sending the messages. First, it is important to understand that even with the NGL Pro subscription, the app does not reveal exact identities. NGL does not store sender names. It only tracks basic data, like IP address, location, and device type. Now, there's another method to collect limited information. Open your browser and go to a link tracking service like Grabify. Copy your NGL profile link and paste it into the link generator. Create a new tracking URL and accept the terms. Make sure to enable smart logging for better details. After that, copy the new generated link instead of your original NGL link. Share this new link in your bio or wherever you normally share your NGL profile. When someone opens this link, the tracker records basic data, such as country, device, and operating system. You can view this information by refreshing the tracker dashboard. Remember to turn off fake messages in NGL settings to avoid confusion. So that's basically how you can know who sent you message on NGL. That's it for this video. Thanks.